somebody had snapped a photo, like kind of just like, like a natural photo of stuff that was going on. And when I rewatched it back or I relooked at that photo, it was a very happy moment. All things were happening, and then I immediately looked at my own face and and I was like embarrassed. Growing up, I didn't really have a lot of dental insurance or a whole lot of care. I also had a bit of weaker teeth, like just naturally, and they were kind of slowly decaying as they went. Through my early 20s, it really started decaying. I mean, year by year by year, it was another tooth pulled, another major cavity, chipped teeth, and by the time I was late 20s, it was in real bad shape. Even when I had, quote unquote, good teeth when I was younger and never enjoyed my smile, I was always kind of one of those that covered their mouth with their hand when laughing or smiling, kind of look away. No real self-confidence to speak to others, especially if it's in public, or you're just kind of self-conscious all the time as to what people think. That was a referral. The owner of my company knew who he was and set me up and said, hey, there's somebody who can take care of you. But the staff was very caregiving, very open, very supportive. And it was the first time I was ever in a dentist chair where they actually looked at me and they're like, oh, you're gonna be okay. It wasn't like, oh, here's your only option, you're just gonna have to deal with it. It was like, oh no, we'll take care of you. And they kind of just asked me, like, what do you wanna see out of it? How do you feel with it? And then as we were going through, talking very regularly, going through the whole experience, I just felt supported the whole time. I was talking again the next day. I came into the office the following day and was able to talk. Now, like when I go there, like I'm genuinely excited because there's somebody really looking after what's going on and not just kind of treating me like a patient. It is fantastic. I have to do a lot of public speaking for my work, so now being able to just like naturally be me and not cover up, like it's a completely freeing experience. It's unmatched. It's mostly just made me more confident, just not ashamed of anything. Just being able to fully interact with somebody and share experiences. It's been great.